Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of April 6th to the 12th. So you can do these right till Saturday the 12th, and we are doing them both curbside and in store. And this is one item I would definitely be stocking up on right now, especially with everything going on in the world. One item to always have in your stockpile that's sensible and reasonable is toilet paper and paper towels. Okay, so for the first deal, we are going to be doing this curbside, meaning you're ordering it through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, ordering it that way, driving to the store and picking it up. Obviously pay for it and then you go and pick it up. And this is just like a really fantastic deal. So you're either going to get a mix and match of the toilet paper or possibly the paper towel. For those of you that have never tried the Walgreens generic brand, I think it's very similar towards Angel Soft, and that paper towel, especially if you have a lot of pets, it's quite fantastic as well. So for the purposes of this video, I just threw in 4 toilet papers into a basket for exactly 20 bucks. We're going to load this digital coupon. That's the $1.50 off of one. Now, possibly if you used this last week, what you're going to do is go back in the app, go into household folder, and then scroll through that folder of digital coupons, and you'll probably find it and you'll have to reload it because it is a store coupon and you can use it more than once. Okay, so as you can see, that Walgreens coupon, the $1.50 off times 4, that's $6 off, and the code WAG20 is still applying. So by all means, like, that is just absolutely fantastic. You're going to type WAG20. That's why doing this curbside is so much more advantageous than in store, because you're saving an additional $2.80, which is really fantastic. The overall total is $28.80 melting off, free curbside pickup and tax. The cost is $11.87. I personally would use 10 bucks in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and pay $1.87 and call this a very fantastic deal and a very smart use of $10 in Walgreens cash. Next 2 deals that we're going to be doing will be in store. For the first one, you're going to put a photo order in for a 4x6 print. That's 39 cents. And hopefully this booster will print for you a 5 back when you spend 15. They have been printing again this week, so take a leap of faith. Will it print? Won't it print? You'll have to just take a leap of faith and hopefully it prints for you, but you're going to need this specific booster. We're going to be grabbing 3 packs of these 6 megas by Angel Soft. And they're on a promotion this week of buy 3, get back a $3 register reward, and they are 2 for $9. The third one will be $4.50. It won't be $4.99. And we're going to load the best friend, which is the $1.50 off of 3 digital coupon. Also for the basket, we're going to grab this guy for exactly $5, and we're only grabbing 1, either the toilet paper or paper towel, you pick. And then we're going to have this friend loaded as well, which is the $1.50 off of 1. So this is just a very straightforward deal. Again, we're doing this in store. 3 Angel Softs for $13.50, 1 Walgreens brand paper product for $5. Your total here is $18.50. Scan the booster, the 5 back when you spend 15. The Walgreens coupon of $1.50 will be coming off, but you're still at your $15 threshold. Plus the $1.50 Angel Soft coupon will also come off. So you're going to have to pay $15.50 with your debit card, credit card, or bills. You pick how you want to pay for it. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash plus a $3 register reward for Angel Soft, making it $7.50 for the 4 or $1.87 per paper product, which is really fantastic. And let's not forget, class, not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using that booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. Okay, the final deal we're going to do, and this is possibly if you want to just do another deal right away, is to grab one of these packs for $10.99. It's 16 rolls of Angel Soft, and it's $4 of savings right there. We have $1 digital as well, so please make sure you have it loaded. So in the perfect world, you just did the last deal, and now you're going to do this deal. So one of those big mamas is $10.99, subtracting that $1 digital coupon, and you're also going to throw in that $3 register reward that you just earned from Angel Soft, plus the $5 in Walgreens cash that you earned from the previous transaction to pay it down. You're going to pay $1.99 plus tax, and I think this is just a smart little deal, and it's a way to do from deal 1 to deal 2 to really grow your stockpile of paper products. For more curbside deals, if you missed my video yesterday, I'll link it right here. That's it for this video. We will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.